Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete group chat in Snapchat. So you can't directly delete a group chat on Snapchat, but you can leave the group, which will remove from your chat. And here is a simple guide on how to leave or remove a Snapchat group chat. So open the Snapchat app on your phone, then tap on the chat icon at the bottom, then find the group chat you want to remove, then press and hold the group chat, then tap on more, then click on leave group and confirm by tapping leave again. Once you leave, your message in the group will be deleted and the chat will disappear from your conversation. And however, your other group members will still have access to the chat. So if you really want to leave, maybe you are the admin of the group, you just have to remove all the member, and then you can now leave the group only if you are the creator of that group. But if you are not a creator, you are just a member, that's the best way. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.